Hi, this is Paolo from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create timeline actions to send MMS and send SMS using Twilio. Let's log into AEvent and open your timeline. Click on Create Action from the upper right-hand side. Let's set this action to trigger 15 minutes before the webinar starts. Let's target the registrants. From this drop-down, let's select Twilio. Let's select Send MMS. Select the media type you want to send. For this example, let's select Image. Select the image you want. Enter your text message. Click the personalization icon to add personalization values to your message. Let's add the registrant's first name. Under the subscriber column, select First Name. It will automatically populate the registrant's first name. Let's also add the join URL. Click on the icon again and under Subscriber, select Join URL. You can also add an emoji. Let's add a simple smiley emoji. Select AEvent Copilot for the phone number. Click on Create. We've successfully added that action. This time, let's create the action to send SMS. Click on Create Action again. Again, let's set this to 15 minutes before the webinar starts. Let's target registrants again. Let's look for Twilio. Select Send SMS. Enter your text message. Again, you can enter personalization values to your message like the first name and the join link. You can also add a smiley emoji. Select AEvent Copilot for the phone number. Click on Create. We've also successfully added the Send SMS action. That would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support. If you like this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.